period between World War I and World War II, often referred to as the interwar period, was a time of dramatic change and adaptation in design. As the world grappled with economic hardship during the Great Depression and prepared for another global conflict, design evolved rapidly to address societal needs while maintaining a sense of creativity and innovation. Designers were tasked with finding solutions that balanced function, aesthetics, and communication, leading to advancements in streamlining, propaganda, and popular media. Each of these areas played a crucial role in shaping the visual culture of the time and continue to influence design practices today. One of the most significant design movements to emerge during the interwar years was streamlining and efficiency. As industries sought to recover from the economic challenges of the Great Depression, design became a powerful tool to create products that were not only functional, but also visually appealing and cost-effective to manufacture. Streamlining focused on smooth aerodynamic shapes inspired by advances in transportation and technology. Raymond Loewy, often referred to as the father of industrial design, was one of the leading figures in this movement. He revolutionized product design by applying principles of streamlining to everyday objects, making them more visually appealing and user-friendly. Some of his most notable works include the Coca-Cola vending machine, which featured sleek curves and an inviting aesthetic, and his redesign of the locomotive that captured the excitement of modern travel. Another key designer of this period was Norman Bel Geddes, whose futuristic vision for a streamlined world captured the public's imagination. His iconic Futurama exhibit at the 1939 World's Fair gave audiences a glimpse into a future of smooth highways, automated homes, and aerodynamic vehicles. Bel Geddes' work illustrated how design could influence people's perception of progress and provide hope during a challenging economic period. Lester Bell, on the other hand, took a different approach by using graphic design to address real-world challenges. His work for the Rural Electrification Administration aimed to communicate essential information to rural communities with minimal literacy. Bell's posters were bold, clear, and striking, using simple geometric forms and vibrant colors to convey messages that were both functional and visually engaging. This emphasis on clear, effective communication became an essential part of design during this era. As the world plunged into World War II, design took on a new and urgent role: propaganda. Governments recognized the power of visual communication to influence public perception, inspire patriotism, and encourage participation in the war effort. Posters became one of the most powerful tools in wartime communication, delivering messages that were straightforward, emotional, and highly persuasive. Jean Carlu's poster production, America's Answer, is a perfect example of wartime propaganda's visual power. It conveys strength, unity, and industrial might, qualities that were crucial to boosting morale and encouraging production on the home front. Another iconic series from this period was Norman Rockwell's Four Freedoms, which visually represented American values such as freedom of speech and religion in a relatable, everyday manner. These works tapped into the emotions of the public, reinforcing national pride and unity. The most enduring images of World War II propaganda is J. Howard Miller's We Can Do It, featuring the now iconic figure of Rosie the Riveter. With her rolled-up sleeves and determined expression, this poster encouraged women to enter the workforce and support the war effort. It became a lasting symbol of female empowerment and remains a powerful piece of visual culture today. While industrial and wartime design focused on functionality and persuasion, popular media provided an outlet for escapism and entertainment during the difficult years of the Great Depression and World War II. The rise of pulp magazines offered an affordable source of entertainment for the masses, featuring sensationalized stories of adventure, crime, and romance. These magazines needed bold, attention-grabbing covers to stand out on crowded newsstands, leading to the development of a unique, exaggerated illustration style. Artists like H.J. Ward brought these covers to life with their dramatic depictions of mysterious femme fatales, dashing heroes, and thrilling action scenes. Titles such as Spicy Mystery and Private Detective featured vivid, eye-catching imagery that pulled readers into the world of intrigue and excitement. The exaggerated typography, intense colors, and dynamic compositions became trademarks of pulp magazine design. In the world of comic books, Fred Ray's cover for Superman number 14 in 1942 became an iconic representation of heroism and hope during the wartime. With bold colors and a strong, confident pose, Superman became a symbol of American strength and perseverance. Similarly, Robert Savone Pius's sports-themed covers brought energy and emotion to subjects like baseball and boxing, using bold lines and high contrast to capture movement and excitement. These themes of streamlining, propaganda, and pulp magazine design all reflect how designers responded to the economic and political realities of the time. They adapted their craft to meet the needs of the industry, government, and popular culture, creating work that was both functional and inspiring. The interwar period and Great Depression pushed designers to think creatively about how to solve problems while still engaging their audiences with compelling visuals. As we reflect on this period in design history, it's clear that the challenges of economic uncertainty and global conflict sparked new ways of thinking about design's role in society. Whether it was through making products more efficient and accessible, using design to rally national support, or providing much-needed escape through popular media, the interwar years offer valuable lessons on adaptability, resilience, and innovation. Understanding how designers of the past navigated difficult times can provide inspiration for tackling contemporary challenges in our own work.